Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Panch Fun with Moniki. As you guys can see, today's recipe is mutton curry. We always look for a simple yet delicious dishes which does not consume much of our time. So here is this recipe. Today I'm gonna show you the simplest way for the preparation of the mutton curry, and trust me guys, it would result into a delicious rich mutton curry. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends and family. So guys, be with me to the end of the video, and yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before jumping to the main step, I'm getting some paste ready. So see, I'm firstly roasting some spices, red chilies, cumin, coriander and some black pepper. Roast it little bit and make a thick paste of it. And get the paste ready. After that, let's hop to the step marination. So for marination, I have taken 700 grams of mutton. See, into this I will add curd, 2 tablespoons of curd. After that, I will add ginger garlic paste, then red chili powder, then goes turmeric powder, salt according to taste. After that, I will add some sliced onion. I haven't pasted it. I like to add like this way only. So you guys can add onion paste also. So after that, I have add bay leaves, tejpata. After that, I will be adding that paste that we previously prepared. I'm just telling again the ingredients: cumin, coriander, black pepper, dry chili. That's it. Just make a thick paste and just add over it. After that, we will add mustard oil. See? Then give it a good mix. Each and every mutton must be coated with this marination spices. After giving it a good mix, keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. If you are having less time, you can also keep it for 30 minutes. So let it get marinate for 1 hour, or if you are having less time, for 30 minutes. Now guys, let's hop to the main part, preparation of the mutton. The complete recipe is going to be with mustard oil, so I have added mustard oil. To it, I will be adding some ghee to enhance the taste. See, this much of ghee I have just added. After this, I will add some sliced onion. Guys, just fry it until golden brown. Meanwhile, I will be adding some khara masalas, elaichi, long, darchini. Give it a nice mix. I will be adding some sugar also to caramelize the onion. It will enhance the color and taste also. After that, I am adding those marinated mutton. Then give it a good mix. See guys, if you marinate the mutton properly, then you won't have to add water in the first stage. So see. So guys, kitchen tip of the day. So I will be adding one betel nut, shupori. It will enhance the mutton to get tenderized properly. After that, give it a good mix. Let it cook for some time, 6 to 7 minutes. After that I'm adding some whole garlic. This is of mine taste. This is totally optional. But trust me guys, you can give it a try and won't forget the taste of this garlic with the mutton gravy. And after that, let's prepare one paste. See, kaju, almonds, some peanuts and some char magoj. Make it a thick paste. We will be adding this paste to make the mutton curry rich and shahi. It will enhance the taste and also the texture. Simply add the paste. It will increase the creaminess of the gravy. Trust me guys, if you follow this method, you will be getting a best result out of it. So give it a nice mix and again just let it cook for some time. See guys, the oil has released. It means it has got perfectly cooked. Trust me guys, this is my favorite part of everything. After that, we will be adding some water, warm water, and then let it cook for 40 to 45 minutes. And yes guys, our spicy mutton curry is ready. So let's go and serve this mutton. Yes guys, here is our delicious, tasty, yummy mutton curry. If you like our style of preparing mutton curry, do subscribe our channel, like and share to your friends and family. And yes, click to the bell icon to get the notification of our brand new videos. Guys, do keep on supporting me like this way only, and if you are new to our channel, you must watch our trending videos in our channel and do subscribe my channel. Comment down how was all the recipes of mine, and until now, tada, bye bye.